I done a bad thing, it's okay.
They tried to make me go to rehab. I said no.
Yay! Here we are! Knob Creek. Kentucky's straight bourbon.
Straight.
Square bottle. Oh, hell yeah.
Pour some over a rock.
On two. A good aroma. The reason we like to drink it on the rocks first is why?
Just so you taste it as is. Is there a reason?
Well, because the first sip
Sometimes
is...
I think Adria, is expecting me to say something specific. It's like crickets. It's got...
It's not as smooth as some of the things
But
we've
it's
tasted.
good. But it's good.
Neat or on the rocks, it's not as palatable.
Will there be single men there?
No.
None? I've never been at my fake wedding before.
Oh, I've been to your fake wedding.
They make you nervous? That's new. Like the bottle.
Yes.
The woman had it!
The Womanhattan. Womanhattan. Like a Manhattan with a woman.
They get it.
Yeah,
When I
because we're women who were born in Manhattan.
Oh my god. Shakespeare!
Shakespeare!
That burning shame.
Well, King Lear.
Friday night, guys. Well, I want them to play along.
Well, they can't play along because they're not here. Drink! Our Christmas tree had a Star of David on it. Awesome. Menorah had
Little.
SAT books under it.
So did ours. That's an awful sound. Stop. No, really, honestly.
I'm really, really sorry. Mouth herpes! Let's go to the bar.
No.
We gonna go out. We gonna meet people that aren't each other.
No.
Yes.
Why? They all live.
Oh, like what we call a long setup.
I put some whiskey